Most athletes spend their entire lives chasing a salary. But what happens when you decide to stop playing by the rules and start building your own economy? Meet Madeline Wright. She went from professional football to earning an estimated $600,000 a year on her own terms.
I'm always thankful for something, don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to...
Today, we're breaking down the business of brand, the power of digital leverage, and how one player turned a career setback into $1 million empire.
Make a better me, better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
In 2020, Madeline was at a crossroads. After a public dismissal from her club, most people saw the end of a career. Madeline saw an open market. She didn't just walk away, she pivoted to the creator economy.
Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day.
She understood that in the 21st century, attention is the new currency. By leaning into her brand, she bypassed the traditional sports contract model to build a direct-to-consumer business.
Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I decided...
She didn't just post photos. She built a funnel. With over 300,000 followers on Instagram and a successful subscription model, she tapped into high-margin recurring revenue.
Go, 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 go.
While the average pro player relies on club fees, Madeline built a scalable business. It's a masterclass in diversification, using social media to drive traffic to high-value platforms. This is how modern millionaires are born.
The type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly,
Now she's back on the pitch with Chatham Town, but not because she needs the money. That's the definition of businesswoman: the freedom to choose when, where, and how you work.
So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub.
Her lifestyle is fueled by the brand she owns, not a contract she's tied to. It's the ultimate dream: financial independence, total creative control, and the ability to dictate your own worth.
To myself a promise, I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest.
The lesson? Your value isn't defined by your job title. It's defined by the brand you build. Madeline Wright proved that you can lose the job, but if you own the audience, you never lose the money.
The haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety.
If you enjoyed this video about luxury lifestyles, entrepreneurship, and money, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the lifestyle of the most beautiful and successful women of the world. See you in the next video.
Under pressure, if you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never, and turn your mind into the truest to go-getters. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it.